How to export analytics reports in Buffer. So first is you will need to log into your Buffer account and go to the Analyze section right here at the top. So just simply click on it. And once you're here, just simply select the channel or account that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to go with Facebook right here on the left side. And here is you can set the desired date range for your export. So you could set it to this month, last month, this week, last week, or you could add a custom date of your choice. But for me, I'm just going to go with this month, just like that. And besides it, you will see the export button. So it says export as right here. So just click on that. And you could either export it as a CSV file or export it as an image. So let's say I want to export it as a CSV file. I'm just going to click on this. And as you can see, I can now add it to my files right there. Same goes if I use the image option. So I also have it right here to save. So just simply choose a directory that you want to put it into, then click on save. And as you can see, I now have downloaded my analytics reports just like that. And that is how you basically export your analytics reports in Buffer.